Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update our view on the gold market. So gold just can't get us with our expectations. So we were speaking about possible pullback and in general background was really nice. See confidence oversold, but here's was very small reaction. And mostly market dropped right now right back down again. So now it stands at the oversold, but currently near the 50% support, though I do not have it on this chart. But it's approximately here. The confidence has been broken. In general, recent performance shows weakness. It's just because normally when the market touched some strong support area, especially previous top and the confidence, it shows moderate, at least some minor pullback here. But here we do not see anything of this sort. So market just collapsed through the confidence area without any response on the daily chart and now stands at oversold. It means that here we have some significant bearish pressure and it seems that we should get this downside action. At the same time, gold can't show the straightforward downward action because just of this indicator, so it can't break it and just keep going lower, so it should show some reaction, so something of this kind. So you can see every time it meets, our bar shows minor pullback, and then the next day it once again meets it and so on. So here's where we could get something the same but in opposite direction. The only surprises that could come here is from some fundamental data release, maybe on the Fed, maybe on CPI today or something that's this kind, which we can't control. But speaking about the technical side, I would say that we have the clearly showed some bearish context and with big chances that we should get downside continuation. Speaking about possible position taking, those of you who consider taking the short position, well, probably you should try to catch some minor pullbacks with keeping an eye on data releases, just to not get too much risk going through the moments of the data release and maybe just take the position after it will happen. Just control this moment. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it seems that market is coming to the major target around 1956. Here we have minor slowdown, but anyway, momentum stands relatively strong. And since market doesn't show any response on previous tops, on the confidence area, just breaking it down, it means that it's moving right back down to the 1956, 1955 area. So until market will reach this level, it seems relatively safe to consider taking the short position. So maybe some pullback will start from this target, although as you can see, it's also the COP. This is not the major destination point. OP stands significantly lower, around 1905. So from that standpoint, it seems that, well, considering taking a short position should be relatively safe if you control the moments with the data reports. So on the hourly chart, our butterfly that we have considered has failed. So it was not able to show even minus 30% pullback here. Market dropped. Currently we have minor signs of the bearish dynamic pressure. So on the daily, on hourly chart, we do not see any bullish signs. So from that standpoint, I do not see good background even to consider taking any longs right there. So as a possible orientation for the depth of the possible upper bounce as a response to the daily oversold, you could use this swing. This was because reaction on the first oversold that we've got on the daily chart. It is very extended, but it is very small in terms of the height of the pullback. So if we'll use the distance here, you could plot it here, and supposedly if this will be the same reaction, market theoretically could try to climb somewhere to the 2000 area, 2000 or 2, but overall price performance here doesn't look bullish and it's just minor retracement here. So that being said, on the gold market, it seems that the bearish signs looks really strong. We suggest that bearish position could be relatively safe to take until market hits the target. Any retracement that will happen prior the target will be reached probably will be very small. Either this one or even smaller, just because here was reaction not only on the oversold but on the confidence as well. So reaction on the oversold might be smaller, somewhere in the half of this way as well. So in this situation, current conditions, we do not see any reasons to consider any long position taking here. The one thing that you should be aware, just as market stands at the oversold, maybe it makes sense to wait to reaction on some minor intraday fib resistance level. So you could plot here some levels and see when the market will reach some fib resistance to consider taking another short position. That's what we have on the gold market.